Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ilham Januaria, and I am from South Lampung. I am a college student at Institute Informatik and Business Dharma Jaya. Now, I study at the accounting department. Here, I will explain about user of accounting information. User of accounting information may be inside or outside a business. There are there are primarily two types of user of accounting information. Internal user of accounting information or primary and external user of accounting information or secondary. Here I will discuss first internal user of accounting information or primary. Following are the primary user of accounting information. A. Management. Organization internal management includes all junior and senior business managers. They use it for 1. Budgeting, forecasting, analysis, and take important financial decisions. 2. Investment decisions, identification of warning and opportunity signal. 3. Taking informed and evaluated decisions. 4. Compliance with all statutory, regulatory, and any other external body. B. Owners or partners. Owners are the legal stakeholders of the business and the ultimate signing authority. They use it for 1. Tracking their investment and monitoring their return or their return on investment. 2. Observing their capital invested and evaluating its upward and downward move. 3. Keeping an eye on the overall well-being of the business. C. Employees, full-time and part-time workers. They are essentially on the company's payroll. They use it for 1. Checking the overall financial health of the company as it affects their remuneration and job security. 2. Decision making in case of share-based payment such as ESOPs offered by the employers. 3. Examining if the employer is depositing all required funds to the appropriate authorities such as the Provident Fund. The second type is external user of accounting information or secondary. Following are the secondary user of accounting information. A. Investors. They may be current investors, minority stakeholder, potential future investor, etc. They use it for 1. Checking how the management is utilizing the equity invest in the business. 2. Decision related to an increase in investment or to divest from the business. 3. Analyzing their present investment in the business or the overall financial health in case of a potential investor. B. Lenders. Banks and non-banking financial companies which provide loans in the form of cash or credit are termed as lenders. They use it for 1. Evaluation of short-term and long-term financial stability of a business. 2. An insight into the liquidity, profitability, etc. with the help of ratio analysis. 3. Assessment of the credit worthiness with the help of financial ratios and scrutiny of the 3 main financial statements in accounting. C. Regulatory and tax authorities. Regulatory bodies such as the stocks exchange and authorities include the Gov, along with various statutory and tax departments. They use it for 1. To keep a check and ensure that the firm is following all required accounting principles, standards, rules, and regulations. 2. The ultimate intent is to protect business integrity and safeguard investors. 3. Tax department as one of the users of accounting information assures accurate tax calculation by the companies. D. Customers are buyers of goods or service and may exist at any stage of business cycle. They may be producer, manufacturers, retailers, etc. They use it for 1. Checking the continuous inflow of stock and the pace of overall production. 2. Assessing the financial position of its suppliers, which is essential to maintain a stable source of supply. A. Suppliers are the sellers of goods and services. They use it for 1. Inspecting the credibility of their customers by evaluating their repayment ability. 2. Setting up a credit limit and payment term with their customer. F. Public. The general public is also among users of accounting information. They are keen to know the financial health of a business to get a fair idea of the firm's market, business environment, and economic atmosphere of the country. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.